Yeah.
And Wiki Dennis Miracle. Power downful. And I'm so ye nipa ni influence Santa Gano because of my
sure.
The nipa ne fra. Now see a D as some no near tatanta or can say me also benya. National Security investigating Mahama board members.
Right.
When them catch us say na internet ready am production I am style.
Yeah.
Okwa kaya President Mahama buy. O kaya say me boy appointment baby a. O why say asese nipa no. Me kaya so okra buzam then na ekoso no. O ha na say asese nipa no. GIPC EBC TOR EBC GMPC EBC GOL EBC. These are ones I already remember. In fact, Hana BC ne de no China ekoye at a point Ghana airport ekoye sakakra obobia ene ade. So people are asking questions President Mahama na indecisive one. And as a Kofobo who ye bibia yenti ase. But I say Muslim make say people join discussion sometimes with their emotions. So they fail to see the nitty-gritties and the facts. Oh, one cry won. Nenta make us ababa wawe. Minini da. Na eja ya senior colleagues. Okay, chief reformers and Kevin Taylor na edu omagro. And again you be fry. Na say friend no Ann Sansa Daly. I cannot call her doctor because me documents I'm one impeachable documents and again in your doctor. So I cannot call her doctor.
Oh yes, you will be apply verified.
Yes.
And
she's
not part of the Ghana medical.
That is me documents I'm one of my drink ready on your doctor and me for doctor can find Ann Sansa Daly.
Sure.
Now what gay some way someone will be NHIS board so. And you see I'm coming to prove to you why I support the call of Dennis Miracle say President Mahama national security and some investigation on some of these matters. And I will shock you kakra. Omari won ya nya care for her our president they are vulnerable. Obi our being president kakra bia no you can see their vulnerabilities. Mama clear example and San Makoso. Okay, Professor Chadimensa confirm to see we and say
yeah, sure.
Ya point no it took almost 2 months and Sana let Ifra Krabedu Kumase. I'm telling you on record. And I say my friends if you interview be away
2 months.
It took almost 2 months for the let Tebedu
maybe there within 24 hours.
Yes. So what I'm coming to say is not synonymous to John Mahama.
Okay.
It's not synonymous to time President Mahama. It's not synonymous to the NDC government. I culture bias and Kufubu president and sometimes it appears say almost selfish interest no overriding the national interest. Why am I saying so? Yeah, one a Tuesday. I say inaugurate NHIS board. Date ni ye mama yanko board no samen child.
Right.
Tuesday per me calendar na kokwa bio calendar mama. 27th May. Meboa.
Yeah.
And you inaugurate board. You inaugurate board na me hu ni Facebook. Cause me one NHIS my own you know favorite. Nti me ya na buy. Akwete brofu ni ye o say. Na hwe date no.
Wednesday on.
Wednesday. That 27th
so
that
Tuesday, so the following day, which is 28th, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Or say, the Minister for Health, Kwamina Minta Kando, has sworn in the new board for the National Insurance Authority, inaugurated in Accra on Tuesday.
Okay.
The board is expected to play blah blah blah. The 17 members of the board, the chaired by Lawrence New York Kanta JT, and our board members na akokwa he. Gay na a friend of Sansa Daly no. Oh, so so this I'm saying that my presentation. Yeah, so this is the Tuesday one. Yeah, so this is the Tuesday one. And we need 27 from a kind in here.
Yeah.
Board members na kokwa omu through Facebook page no. Yeah, representation is some nipa 17.
Sure.
Baku some more health professionals, some more experience in health insurance.
Sure.
Go on the Dr. Sansa Daly and Dr. Azeneta Jiman Rollins. We shot the 19th May. Document na announcing nipa na get any deal onuni. 2 health professionals with expertise in health insurance to go on the deal. Ko date the 19th. Inauguration here 27th.
Okay.
So 8 clear days.
Right.
But the inauguration. You inaugurating go ni we assemble ho no. In fact, I had there see our politicians that is why some of us we do the job we do. Material say they now no post here as at almost 5 p.m. I don't post here.
Right.
And see, I didn't know ya man for get away now. What kind of one so onye ni papa onye doctor onye say no. ana ministry no omuli key document we. Oh, why is my
okay.
Oh, akoko ene me machine e di me hamo. So omuli key document back on say the appointment no ya revoke.
Okay.
The date on the revocation letter no was the 23rd of May. Akwa follow me here pa 23rd May. Nomination here 19th. The revocation, alleged revocation letter no by 4 days later. 4 days later, 23rd. The question here is, why did Mahama nominate her on 19th, revoke her appointment on 23rd? One question.
Okay.
Yeah, swearing in on 27th. Now, what had there? Assembly question and the Ministry of Affairs the statement by one good man and a sign or church in fact, or say, Mamin Kaimon. The Ministry of Affairs has taken note of publication on Graphic Online regarding the appointment and training of Miss T. Ministry of Health now NHS was here now or inaugurated board on Akokwa Hadeo. On Tuesday, or describe a girl and said Dr. Sansa Daly. Now, ultra letter no on 28th no. Some na ba ye beja no. O describe again and said Miss Sansa Daly, Dr. Nefriho. That's the first observation you have to make. Or say, as a member of the National Health Insurance Authority Board, the ministry wishes to categorically deny allegation contained in the said publication and to present the fact as follows. That according to ministry, no more be fact. Yeah, fact. No. A letter appointing Miss Sansa Daly, among with other members, was issued on 19 May 2025. Subsequently, a letter dated 23rd May was issued by the appropriate authority. The second letter revoked the appointment and appointed a replacement. It is important to clarify that Miss Daly was not sworn in on 27th of May 2025 during the swearing in held at the Ministry of Health. Mame. Me say between 19th and 23rd, then I'm President John Dramani Mahama who ye. Entia or can't say get on and yes or board no so. It's a very serious question we need to know.
Yeah.
2. Ministry ni say once we again in on the 27th. On the 27th. This is it. When they listed the members of border on my way in, the girl was part. And I call the John story man on the so much to now, do you know what is interesting? At the China, some Beja, then they Nicodemously did editing on their Facebook. 27th May or 5 p.m. Wednesday, 3:15 p.m. Had you
That's the next day.
Next day, no. And omuyi ni free. And you sure, now get on the better doctors and attachment Rollins. Nicodemus on the little girl, then I shall there. Omuyi no. And after Nicodemously, some bed the tea and the Professor York a bishop.
Wonderful.
Chakokwa, miracle, yet me a cuckoo, Ministry of Health on any.
So
this is why I agree, say President Mahama must occasion an investigation into some of the board members.
Yeah. Very.
Me Jensen Kofoni Boa unimum. And Kofoni Boa and Insenim. Now, what say, oh, appointee will be a board as well. Men can't again in your doctor, don't mean board on so. My argument is that, Akokwa, look at Niemo Makafa Gay, you win. Hey, NHIA, from one for no one for said, I don't know the kind of call. Baby, only exclusive coverage.
Serious.
And Akokwa, oh, Professor York, see the gay. How should a girl get close? And it tells you, say, or be pushing. And on one metal no they call because the match you're very curious.
Yeah.
Wow, we story where you enter to us now we be a pan.
Because having nomination on the 19th,
revocation on 23rd,
then
swearing in on 27th, updated on the official website of NHIS, the official Facebook page. Then the next day, NHIS have been sure of denied to say girl cry or swearing in. They did not throw on Dr. Sansa San, not a better miss answer Sansa use a debate. I had the tip post to know I'm patrol. Or no more catches of a clarify fact. That's a any kind of bottom. You need answer. You chat through. You see, there's no honesty in our public service.
Enti the cost where we more in no. Hopeful a minister, right?
Yes, minister and so mean.
Enti na minister aware of the revocation.
I won't blame the minister. I will blame the appointing authority, which is President Mahama. Kwa minister na appointment.
No, but then
we know said appointing authority. No, kwa janto betwen kaso region beboa me na enya dwuma. Se Jimmy ama na ni ama mo na bedin nsemfo a asamba akwasitu mu frɛ janto a obɛfra hwan. So frɛ Jimmy Agla. He is the general manager.
Yeah.
So what process does people go through to be appointed board members? That is the question.
But all these agencies na share ministry national.
Yes.
It lies on the minister, so be ensure say
Akwa, I'm saying say
they are appointed revocation about
President Mahama na bebodi who minister no ya nso kosua yin board
no anon will be the account. It's a letter, it's something that is written to revoke.
Yeah.
It's a letter.
Yeah.
And I believe that all ministries responsible for these agencies will be copied.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
And from 23rd
yes
to 27th.
Yes.
That is about 4 days difference. I will call you swearing in.
Yes.
So you are telling me say you were not copied.
Entina akwa brilliant. Entina make sure say you cannot tell me say girl no near me course in an entertainment. Kwa akwa ni date here through.
Yeah.
Nomination on 19th.
Yeah.
23rd president say when you get na free obi.
Sure.
So 4 days we then course president say girl no ntimi nko board ni so bi. Akwete ni now I'm told confidently say the letter got to the ministry a day before the swearing in. Why didn't the minister see it? Why didn't the chief director see it? Why did they allow the girl to swear in? Because list among the bam Facebook page and my website is a girl no swearing in and only 27 for no. And only say Facebook where that your Facebook catch the yana 27th ni which is the Tuesday the swearing in no. Nipa di amobo asam sweamu in no. Enu nie legal expertise provided by Dr. Divine Nambi, Dr. Sansa Daly, and Dr. Zenator Morales MP also serve on the board. And I want to be communication as I'm kind.
These things must be investigated.
This is why President Mahama must question the people around him.
Yeah.
How can the executive secretary to the president, Dr. Calixtus, man, better letter?
Yeah.
Say, no, be a quiet the fufro.
It's true.
How come do this here?
Eugene said to the fact checker, I say, and I'll pay Eugene. And the FM, minimum say, won't you mean some what to be, but